Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm about to teach you how you can download the Peacock TV app even if you're not from the US. If you're not from the US, first of all, you should go ahead and download yourself a VPN. I downloaded the Thunder VPN, so let's go ahead with the Thunder VPN. Open the VPN and go ahead and press on the world icon, and go to United States West. After the VPN is connected to US, go to your Play Store, search for Peacock TV. As you can see, Peacock TV, press on install, wait for a while, and your Peacock TV will be downloaded and installed soon. And there you go, your Peacock TV has been installed. So, this is how to download and install Peacock TV on your phone. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you still have any sorts of confusions, please do mention this in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.